So you've got a Facebook page and you've probably wondered, can I actually make real money from this? Well, you're in the right place, because I'm going to tell you one thing Facebook is doing is they are giving out the cash, okay? Hey, Facebook got your money. I said, hey, Facebook got your money. Okay, in the honor of our good friend ODB. That's what we're going to be talking about. We're going to be talking about Facebook monetization. If you haven't heard, then the word around the streets, the digital streets, is Facebook is giving out cash, and I can attest to that. They are absolutely paying. So think of this as your complete blueprint, this video, turning these posts and followers into an actual income stream in 2026. And we are going to break it down step by step. So first, let me tell you about a guy, Rohan. He is an incredible photographer, right? He spends countless hours perfecting his shots. His Facebook feed is just amazing. He's built a loyal following. The engagement he gets is through the roof. By all accounts, he's totally a social media success. But here's the thing behind him. Rohan is struggling. He's barely making ends meet. All those likes and all those shares, they aren't paying the bills. And he's starting to think this whole thing is just a waste of time. Can I really make a career out of this and live my passion and do what I love to do? And make people laugh, right? And that right there is the $1 million question, isn't it? How do you actually bridge the gap between having a ton of followers and making a real sustainable income? Rohan's problem is a problem that thousands of people have. Maybe even millions of creators are wrestling with right now. Well, good news is the game is changing. A massive opportunity has just opened up, and Facebook has quietly launched a program that is, and I'm not exaggerating here, a gold rush for creators, right? You've heard about the TikTok shops. Well, this is the Facebook gold rush. And we're not just talking about a few $100 here and there. No, we are seeing creators, really big creators, pulling in anywhere from $20,000 to $50,000 a month. That's absolutely life-changing money. And a lot of this is coming from really simple, relatable video content made right on Facebook. You know, the biggest shift here is who can earn. It used to be just for huge influencers with millions of followers. Not anymore. Now, by just flipping a switch on your personal profile to professional mode, you can unlock all these powerful tools, and suddenly everyday people are getting paid for their own original stuff, like their original content, and also a little bit of ChatGPT. We're going to talk about that too. So how does this actually work? It's simpler than you think. Picture your Facebook profile as a vending machine. You stock it with your own goodies, your own original content, right? Your videos, your photos, your stories, even your text posts. And every time someone engages with your content on Facebook, boom, you get paid, money in your pocket. And it's direct, right? So let's take a look at this. I know you're probably thinking, I'm in, how do I get paid? Well, before Facebook sends you that invite, the algorithm has a little checklist. There are 7 key things that it's looking for. Let's dive into a couple of them. Let's just run through this real quick. First, your page or your professional mode profile has to be set up correctly. Then you need at least 500 followers. That's the first hurdle. After that, it's all about engagement. Are people actually interacting with your stuff? And have you been invited to the monetization program? And here's the big one. Are you posting original content? Super important. And of course, you've got to play by the rules. No violations. You need to be consistently posting 7 to 10 times a week. If you can make that a day, even better. If you can check these boxes, you're on your way. And hey, don't sweat it if you're not there yet. This is a roadmap for you. Okay, so listen up, because you can only remember one thing, this whole explainer, remember this. You need original content. It's non-negotiable. Negotiable. It's non-negotiable. You need original content. So they even have this whole thing on Facebook where if you don't post original content, people can come and take their content off your page. So you definitely want to make sure you have original content. I really can't stress that enough. Facebook's system is built for ground up to reward you for your unique creation, and it's designed to sniff out and penalize you for copied or reposted stuff. Also, things that may be a bit risque, right? Any of the risque content, keep it all away from there. It will mess up your monetization and they will take it down. Seriously, this is the golden rule. So you've passed the test, you're eligible. What's next? Well, this is where it gets really exciting. You unlock a whole suite of different earning tools. It's not just one way to get paid, you get a whole toolbox. So let's break down some of these tools. You'll probably start with stars. Think of these as digital tips from your fans. You only need 500 followers to unlock stars, and I've actually seen people with less followers get it. Then you level up to in-stream ads. You know, the ads that play on your videos. For that, the bar is a little bit higher. It's about 5,000 and a whole lot of watch time. And then a top tier subscription where the diehard fans can pay you a monthly fee. That's when you hit about 10,000 followers and have a massive engagement. Each level unlocks more earning power. Now, you don't have to guess where you stand on all of this. It's super easy to check. Just hop into your professional dashboard, find the monetization tab, and click it. Facebook lays it all out for you, and you've unlocked and exactly know how close you are to that level. And it's like your personal progress report, all right? Like, look, getting monetized is just the starting point. The real goal here is to build an income that actually is sustainable, right? To keep earning month after month. So the last part is all about winning strategy. What the top earners do, just as important as the critical mistakes to avoid. This is the stuff that turned it all around for creators like Rohan that we talked about earlier. So what's the secret sauce? It's actually pretty simple. A lot of my clients know you got to be consistent, posting 2 to 3 times a day. And I'm going to actually increase that 7 to 10 to 12. I've even heard some creators posting 30 times a day. Use reels, long form video, photos, text, videos that are 3 minutes. Seriously boost your watch time, and watch time is key. And here's the thing. For a lot of our clients, and what we're seeing when we work with our celebrity clients that have large followings and engagement, is that the more you post, the better off you are. So if you can post 30 times a day, you can absolutely do that. That does not necessarily mean you have to be on the platform all the time. It means that you can schedule your posts, you can schedule your reels, you can schedule your feed posts, you can schedule your text posts, you can schedule your stories. There's so many different tools that Facebook gives you to be able to monetize. You really have no excuse. You don't have to be tied to your computer. And if you need help, you can definitely hire our agency. If you are a big enough creator, we actually work with a lot of content creators to help them with creating content that is engaging and also keeping their pages monetized so they don't have to deal with it themselves. So what's the secret sauce? It's actually pretty simple. You got to be consistent. Posting about 10 to 12 times a day if you can. If you can post a lot of reels, that does great, right? But you want to be utilizing reels, long videos, photos, texts. Videos longer than 3 minutes seriously boost your watch time. So that's the key. Share your stuff into 5 or 10 relevant groups to get some eyeballs on it. Above all, keep your content simple, emotional, and relatable. That's what connects with people. Now, let's talk a little bit about the landmines. There are the things that will get you demonetized in a heartbeat, and I mean immediately. Reposting videos from other people's platforms with watermarks, still a no-no. Using music or images you don't have the rights to, instant shadow ban. Begging for comments or engagement bait is another one, but here's the newest and maybe the biggest mistake people are making. Your bank and tax information must be from an eligible country, and they must match your identity. One tiny mistake here can get you kicked out of the program. So there you have it. The opportunity is real. The blueprint is clear. The tools are right here. Some of the tools that I absolutely love to use on our clients' profiles that I find work really well is Repurpose.io. So you can repurpose content from other platforms, but it has to be your own original content, right? You also can utilize Buffer. Buffer is another amazing social media tool that you can actually use to schedule out a lot of your content. I like to schedule our clients' content directly inside of Facebook. That's one tip I would have for you if you can do that. If you have any comments or questions, leave them down below, but get out there and start utilizing Facebook.